Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to archive your notes into your Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to archive your Google Keeps, you just simply have to open your Google Keep application at first, and after opening the application, just simply select any of the note that you want to archive. For example, I'm choosing this demo note into here, and just simply select that specific note which you want to archive, and in order to select, tap into that note for a while, then tap into this three dots at the top right corner, and from there you will get the option of archive. You just simply have to tap into that archive button. Then after tapping, it will be archived from your Google Keep. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.